go all rough and rugged when you're dressed in the mass public. My attitude is fuck it, cause motherfuckers love it. Fuck it, cause motherfuckers love it. Cause motherfuckers love it. I got a chip on my shoulder the size of the golden nuggets in Vegas. And fuck being famous, I came to get the butters. I came to get the butters. I came to get the butters. Hold on, here you go. 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 Hold on, here you go.
Never had a lot and still we made it work, man. Now we on the road like dollar cab and church vans. Write about experiences from the first hand. To judge a book by appearance might be the worst plan. My mama raised me well, therefore I'm a blessed man. My mama told me give him hell, don't be a yes man. Yes ma'am, that I do. I got them shook like Bigfoots and Rougaroos. I get them outy like goodbyes and toodaloos. I'm from Atlanta like Chick-fil-A's and Hootie Hoos. Hell, I was brought up on booty shaking soul food. And I was taught to let bass quake in old schools. My grandma got a rib shack on Auburn Ave. If you ever in Atlanta, you should grip a slab. I spent my summers doing dishes, hear my uncle ask, you working hard or you working smart? Then he would laugh, cause he knew that lunch rush was busting my ass. Said it's more important do it right than do it fast. Take 6 months to build a Rolls Royce, 13 hours to build a Toyota, do the math. I did the dishes already, but y'all can get a glass. And toast to the moment and hope this time it lasts. Cause there's a threat that there'll be setbacks when trying to make it in America, respect that. That I too sing America, Langston Hughes that. I'm from the South where the Bible belts and blues at. Out in Atlantic City where the House of Blues at. If life is a gamble, this where you lose at. Hold on to these words, nigga, don't lose that. You feel that fire in your gut, you got to use that. Don't just be sitting on your butt, you got to move that. They said that I'm the one, I got to prove that.
All rough and rugged when you're dressed in the mass public. My attitude is fuck it, cause motherfuckers love it. Cause motherfuckers love it. Cause motherfuckers love it. I got a chip on my shoulder the size of the golden nuggets in Vegas. And fuck being famous, I came to get the butters. I came to get the butters. I came to get the butters. Hold on, here you go. 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 Hold on, here you go.
Who's the greatest? Ain't no greatest, ain't no gods here. Ain't no Poseidon or Zeus or Hades, we all clear. Roll with the Titans, be enlightened, we ain't fighting fair. When in Rome, do as the Romans do. If this go over your head, you ain't on my level, right? And if I go too deep, you got your shovel right. I write with a passion, it's like my call to action. At an open mic, I'm like Jesse Jackson. Spit like Brother Malcolm, ballad or the bullet speech. Tough as Martin Luther King to have a dream and address it from the Lincoln Memorial. The revolution won't be televised because the ratings would be horrible. I'm like Gil Scott-Heron wearing the latest fashion. At a stage in my life where trendy ain't in fashion. It so happens that classics never get old. Trends fade, but classics never get told. Hit the road, Jack. 20 years or so, they mosey back. Just like Kwame's polka dots, you notice that? But I wanna be remembered just like every December when you hear them same Christmas carols. Valentine's, same Cupid arrows. Hit you in the heart and you start to reminisce like CL Smooth on Pete Rock shit. This that 5411 Reebok shit for the ladies. Suede Pumas on my feet made it feel like the 80s. Back when Foe and the Baby hit the project lobby and the bridge bumped in them oddies. I was only a pup, I did not give a fuck. I never knew I would touch somebody's soul when I clutched a microphone. Thanks for holding on, had this chip on my shoulder I've been holding so long. Like the Farnese sculpture of Atlas, so when in Rome.
Hold on, here you go.